Hello children, good morning to you. Yes, let's continue the lesson. Okay, that is conserving our environment. In our previous class, we discussed up to air pollution. Okay, means now in our previous class, we are discussing about that types of pollution. Okay, in that types of pollution, we had discussed already, we completed about the air pollution. So next one is about that water pollution. Next one is water pollution. Next one is about water pollution. See how we discussed about that air pollution means that is causing by the releasing of that harmful gases into the environment, that is causing to the air pollution. We already discussed how that our fresh water is converted into polluted water means by the activities of that human. Got it? Means in previous days, in olden days, we are having and many different nowadays also. Okay, we are having and many different rivers in our country. Okay, many important river also that is providing water for the agricultural activities, and some river water are using as a drinking water. Like this, there are many different rivers. But olden days we had and fresh water. Got it? We are getting an fresh water by these old rivers. But nowadays completely these old rivers are polluted. Okay, especially those are the rivers flowing near into the city region, city areas. That rivers are completely polluted. Okay, then what is the reasons for this pollution, this water pollution? Water pollution means now it is understood. Got it? Means polluting the water by the activities of the people. Okay, that is water pollution. Fresh water converted into a polluted water or a dirty water. Okay, so what are the activities causes to this water pollution means how that factories releasing that harmful gases into the environment, like that that same factory is releasing many different types of wastages directly into the rivers. They are directly dumped into the river. That is causes to water pollution. Understood? Means what are the what measures we have to take that are factories, especially that are major factories. There are many different large factories located in our country. Okay, that factories are directly releasing that wastage. Okay, while they are producing the things or a what they are manufacturing products, in that time they are getting many different types of waste. Okay, waste also producing at the same time, so they are directly dumping that waste into the water. That is one of the reasons to water pollution. Okay, then why how it is affecting on us means if we are using that same dirty or a polluted water, it is causes to many different dangerous diseases. Okay, and also it is effects on that what are the animals living inside of that water, and also many different plants are growing. Okay, growing in the water, so that because of that polluted water, that animals and plants also suffering from that. So we have to avoid this water pollution. Understood? So next one is about that what land pollution. Next one is land pollution. Land pollution means that is also same how that land is polluting, no, that land that is called as land pollution. That is also by the activities of the people. For these all type of pollution, especially mainly to destroying the environment, direct causes, direct reason is the human beings. Understood? So land pollution, how that land is getting polluted nowadays means, see here, we are using many different varieties of item, especially made by the plastic. Okay, so after the usage of that material or a thing, so for example water bottles, okay, that is also made by the use of the plastic. After drinking of that water, we are throwing that water bottle in the environment or a land surface. Okay, after that take an example of city areas, that municipalities are, they are water collecting that all garbages and dumping in one place. Okay, after that they have to burn that plastics. Okay, burn that plastics in the same area, especially large amount of the plastics. Okay, after that burning, that land is completely getting polluted. Okay, in which area they had burned that plastics. Okay, in that land surfaces we can't get grass or a plants on that area. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಏರಿಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆನಿ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ nowadays this is common, we are using that pesticides and fertilizers to the land for the purpose of agriculture. Okay, means we have to grow more crops. Nowadays this land is not fertile, okay, comparing to the olden days. So olden days there are very land and soil is very rich in the fertility, but nowadays that is also losing that fertileness. Okay, so we have to add that fertilizers to the land to get good crops. Understood? So farmers are using that. That is one of the common process. If they want to grow any type of crop, means they have to add fertilizers to the soil. That is also one of the major reasons to land pollution, means by adding that fertilizers and pesticides to the land or a soil. Okay, that is causes to land pollution. In another way, it is the causes to the water pollution also. How we this fertilizers and that pesticides are reasons to pollute the water, means in the time of, especially in our region, we all farmers are depending on rainy seasons to grow the crop. Okay, so in that season what they are doing means they are growing crops and also they are adding that fertilizers, and to avoid that insects and all they are using pesticides. Okay, so while that rain is coming, that top layer of that soil, and with that soil fertilizers and pesticides also washing away with the water, and finally it is reaches to the river. So this is also, this using of the fertilizers and pesticides causes to land pollution in one way. In another way it is causes to the water pollution. So we have to avoid that. Okay, avoid that chemical contents to adding to the soil. So next topic, now we discussed about that three major type of the pollution. One is air pollution, another one is water pollution, third one is land pollution. Okay, so next topic is waste generation and disposal. Next topic is waste generation and disposal. Waste generation and disposal. Yes, so nowadays we are using many different things for our comfortable life. Okay, in that life, after the using of that what things what we need, in that also that is releasing many different types of garbages and waste to the environment. Take an example, I already told to you that water bottles, plastic water bottles. So after drinking water, we are throwing into the environment. Okay, then that glass pieces, glass material also we are using regularly. After that using, if that has broken, means we are throwing into the environment. That is also another one of the generation of waste. And next one is about that some different materials, means that wooden pieces will mix it with the soil. Okay, but these plastic, glasses and some metal content, metal boxes, metal things also we are using. After many years again that will getting waste. So we want to throw into the environment. These all are calling as waste. Okay, what we are having in the environment, and this only causes to the pollution. So we have to avoid the uses of these all things. Okay, if that is not possible to completely avoid, we have to reduce that. Okay, reduce the using of these all materials. Okay, so nowadays, but we completely depending on that. Without plastic, especially our day starting by the plastics items only. Like this, we are depending on the plastic things and glass materials and iron things, okay, iron or any metal things. So how it is possible, or how we have to dispose that garbages or a wastages, okay, we have to find proper way to disposal of that wastages, okay. So see here, if that waste thing, okay, that as I told earlier, in the city areas, in the town places, that municipalities will collect that all garbages. Nowadays they are dividing that okay, dividing that dry and what biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastages, like that they are dividing, and later they are collecting that wastages. So that is one of the very good method they are following nowadays, alva. But that after the collecting of that wastages or a garbages, what they have to do? Simply they want to dump in a place, okay, in large area they are selecting, means that is outside from the city areas, they are collecting that land to or dump that wastages, or they are selecting areas to dispose that, okay. But if they want to burn that wastages, means that is causes to air pollution and also the land pollution. If they want to dumping into the water, means that is causes to water pollution. What they have to do? So it is very important to search that proper way to dispose the uh, garbages or a waste to the in the environment, okay. So that is one of the major tasks to government nowadays. Not only the government, we also have to take an every single person's also take a responsibility to dispose this wastages in the proper manner or a proper way. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಸಿಟಿ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಓಕೆ, a responsibility to save the environment. Understood? Yes. Next about that kinds of waste. Kinds of waste. And this kinds of waste we are divided into that two major kinds of waste here. One is biodegradable waste, another one is non-biodegradable waste. So in this biodegradable waste means nothing. After that is mixed with the soil. That type of waste or that type of garbage is called as the biodegradable waste, okay. For example, that waste of that fruits or a vegetable and what some the leaves of that trees, and sometimes we are using these all like means that leaves completely clearly mixed with the soil. No, that type of waste is called as biodegradable waste. Understood? What about that non biodegradable waste means that is not mixed with the soil, okay, means that is causes to the pollution directly and very fastly. What are the things are calling as non-biodegradable waste means, as I said earlier, that plastics, glass materials, means waste pieces of that glasses, and some metal things. These all types of waste are not mixed with the soil. So these type of waste are called as non-biodegradable waste, okay. So in this class we had discussed about that water pollution, land pollution, and also waste generation and disposal, finally kinds of waste, okay. So read this lesson up to this kinds of waste and reducing waste, that is next topic we have to continue in our next video, okay. Thank you.